Hello. Hello.
Are you saying hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Oh, she said Grandma instead of Mama this time. So Melody has a big poopy diaper and she's not letting me change her, so I got poop all over me because she was sitting on my lap. Melody, let me change your diaper, and you have to see the dance she's doing. She's like mocking me. Let me change your butt. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is what the girls are having for breakfast: some grapes, some scrambled eggs, and some butternut squash with raisins. Wow. Oh, it is recording. Ooh, it's pretty.
Look at those houses up there.
I know, that's a pretty cool view that person has. I'm recording and I didn't mean to. Kiss me. We're trying to find places that the locals hang out at. So we found this little like river walk thing. Is it good?
We're on the wrong side.
Oh, we gotta go.
On that side there's trails, there's benches.
Yeah, we gotta go on the other side. But wait, can you go down to the bank right here? I want to go look at
no,
it.
it smells like sewage.
Oh. Alright, we gotta go on the other side. Well, if there's beer bottles down there, then you know this is the place the locals hang out at. So it's cool, all these rocks that are like super shiny. Let's see if I can show you. Do you see how they're like super sparkly? I don't know if you can tell. Look at this one that I just found. But anyways, they're not just at the cabin, they're like all over the town of Murphy. So I'm definitely gonna be looking for some more rocks to collect when we go down to the river.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around, oh. Like me, oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like.
Taking a picture of someone taking a picture. Yay!
Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't like human too. Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub. Come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power.
Melody doesn't want to walk. She won't let me put her down, and my arm's getting so tired. It's so pretty.
You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't lie to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you.
Oh, my arm is too tired. My arm's too tired to carry you, so I'm just sitting with her. Maybe she'll get used to it since we put Ember down too. Hi Ember, what do you think? Is this beautiful or what? So pretty outside. Oh, now I'm in people's way. We gotta get up.
You want walking stick?
That's an Ember-sized walking stick. Yay!
You want Melody?
No.
Melody, you need a walking stick. Remember when we went hiking and it was super fun and you walked all by yourself? Yeah, you gotta do that. I know, look at all those big rocks. Wow. Oh, you got a flower?
Oh, Melody, what about this one?
Aw, beautiful. See what I mean by shiny? Crap, I don't know if you can tell. It literally leaves glitter on my fingers.
Melody.
There you go, see?
Melody, look at this.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't lie to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't lie to be.
You're so daring. You see a quack quack? She sees a quack quack. Yeah. Careful. I want to go down there. Yeah, but I really wanted to see what this cute little, like, shrubby green stuff was down here.
Well, water.
Yeah, water.
I walk without water.
This is so cute, though. Like, this is different. Look how cute this. these little plants are. Just covering all the mud. Okay, so you know how I told you that something is eating my basil plant and I can't see what it is? Well, today I come out here and there are ladybugs on my basil plant. And so I'm reading up on it and I'm like, okay, well, ladybugs eat aphids, so maybe my plant has aphids and you just can't see them. And I looked it up and yeah, if your basil plant is being eaten by aphids, you are unlikely to see them, I guess. So maybe that is why these ladybugs are here. I don't know, but anyways, I'm happy they're here because this poor plant is not doing very well. I don't know what to do. Help protect the basil plant, little ladybugs. We need your help. What you cooking? Good looking. Oh.
I like the juice. I like the juice.
You like the chairs and the table?
Whoa! It's that.
Wow.
It's that the tree.
Trees. What? What scared you?
What's that?
That's you and Mama.
Yeah, Mommy.
You're saying hi to me? Hi,
Yeah,
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Mama's here and Mama's there.
It's the auntie.
Oh.
The auntie.
Auntie? You want to message Auntie and say hi? We'll Snapchat her. Hey. Ah! No. This is going to be delicioso. We got sweet potato, we got pork tenderloin, pineapple, and then of course broccoli and carrots. Cheers. Oh my god, it's so good. How's your dinner, girlies? Yummy. You like it? Want more?
Just once, I wish she'd leave a room in a normal way.
You seem rather quite so upset.
She'll get over it.
I wouldn't make any bets on that.
Poor Ember, she's totally teething. I just noticed the other day that she has a molar up there. And then the last couple of days, like I mentioned, she had us all awake until 4 in the morning. She's bossing, and then this morning, she's kind of like putting her hand here, and she only wanted bananas and smoked salmon, like soft foods to eat. And now she's just like, wants to lay down and cuddle up with her blankie and binky. And she's usually like bouncing off the walls, so my poor babe. And she did have a fever when we, like a couple days ago, she had a fever, but she also threw up. And so we thought she was sick, but then she was totally happy the rest of the day. The next day, she's completely fine, no fever. And now today, she's having like a slight fever again. And you can tell her mouth's bothering her. So, poor baby. And Melody never really did. Melody never really had like teething issues, at least I don't remember it, but yeah. What, honey buns? Oh no, what? Yeah. Oh, you got a swordfish? Wow. But she's totally happy and everything, so that's good. Huh. Yeah, baby, gross. So there was a Capital One commercial that said that they're starting a new thing called Capital One Cafes. It's literally like a bank cafe thing. I don't know. But then at the end they're like, what's in your wallet? Like they always do. And Melody tried to say, what's in your wallet? It's so funny. David just drew this of me. Does it not look like me? Holy crap! I'm so impressed. It like made my eyes water because like look at it. David! This is like so amazing! I love it. Ugh. He's getting so good at drawing. He's been obsessed with drawing and like he draws every single day. That looks so good. Here's a close-up so you can see it better. That looks so good. It seriously looks just like me. Oh, yep, cornmeal on the ground. They must have been making some grits.
Oh, I want to be like you. I want to walk like you, talk like you do. You say it's true. And it's like me. Can't like to be human too. Can't like to be human too. Can't like to be human too.
We're in a grocery store called Ingles. On the intercom, you can hear them with their like heavy southern accents.
That was $8 for the chicken.
$8 for a whole chicken. Ember sees a squirrel over there and she's being so cute. She's saying, bye, Papa. What, you got a rock? Wow, look at that rock. You got a good rock. I'm just sitting out here on the porch editing a vlog. Our vlog of, I'm trying, since we're here for like a whole week, I'm trying to stay up on it and get the first part of this vlog. Like, take care of it as we go so I don't have like so much that I have to do later and then fall behind because it is overwhelming having so much footage to have to throw together when you are trying to travel. Do you like the puppies? She was just freaking out over the fact that I just put puppies on TV. Puppies! Yo, poo-poo? Huh? Did you go poo-poo or something? What's that? You are just so precious.